It was early on a Thursday. Gotta be a little bit quiet because people are asleep. But today's the day I cook with Gudrun. I'm gonna try to take some footage. We'll see how it goes because she makes me amazing meals. But I'll try it for you guys. So first we gotta go to school, and then like right after school we'll be going to Gudrun. See you guys then. Alright, just got off the train, finished school, going to Gudrun's. Not really sure she'll let me film, but we're gonna try anyways. Here we go. Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yeah, like, tastes good.
Flour.
Yeah, but what about the dish? What's like the fish? Like what?
This is Zander. It's a Atlantic fish. Atlantic fillet.
Yeah, oh, okay.
Yeah. Breadcrumbs.
Yeah, and then it makes it perfect?
Yeah, the breadcrumbs you can get at Norma, you know?
Yeah, I got those same ones, yeah.
Street. And demonstrate it. They say, no, it's...
Alright, Gudrun didn't want to get in any videos, so I couldn't have her say anything, but yesterday it was really good. It was like this buttered fish in some crazy sauce, and it was actually so good. I love going to her to get food, and she gives me all this stuff. She's basically my third grandma, so it's lit, and yeah. Riding with no hands.